Now let me explain the main function. You can start with a comment. Now indentation is very important. This indentation is not correct. Move to the left. Okay. Whenever you write a menu-driven program, infinite while loop, first you can display the menu. After that, you can read the choice. Now you can check if choice equal to 1. For the time being, pass empty statement. If choice equal to 2, you can write pass. Now you can copy paste this. So choice equal to 3, it's pass. Choice equal to 4, it's pass. Choice equal to 5. And I think 5, it is exiting from the program. See, option number 5, exit from the program. So here you can make use of break. And finally, you can write wrong choice. Okay. Now choice equal to 1, you have to create a table. So you can call the function by the name create table. Now choice equal to 2, you have to insert the row. So you can call the function by the name insert row. Now what is option number 3? It is displaying the table. Let me check. Yeah, display the table. So you can call the function by the name show table. This one. Pass. Now what is option number 4? Search for an item. So you can call this function search. So the program is ready. Now let me execute the program. Save the program, Control S, run the program, F5. Now first you have to start by creating the table. So option number 1. Table successfully created. I did not display any message. That's the reason why it comes like this. Now again, if you try to create the table, certainly error will occur because the table has already been created. So suppose if I use option number 1, see error. Now how can you overcome this error? One simple modification will help you overcome that error. See, when you execute the statement, this statement, you put it inside try except. Okay, except. So while executing the statement, if an error occurs, control comes here and you don't have to do anything, pass, because if the table already exists, certainly the statement will throw an error that is caught here. I'm not bothered about the name of the error. Okay, anyway the error is caught here, and if the table already exists, nothing to do, pass. So finally you can close the connection. So using this simple modification, you can avoid that error. Run the program, F5. See, we know that table is already there. Now if I use option number 1, no error because pass. Okay. Now let me insert a few rows. Option number 2. Enter the item number 10. Enter the item name pen. Enter the price, maybe 100 rupees. Again, let me insert 2 more rows. So option number 2. Enter the item number 20. Enter the item name pencil. Enter the price, maybe 5 rupees. One more item. So again 2. Enter the item number, maybe 30. Enter the item name, maybe rubber or eraser. Enter the price, maybe 10 rupees. Now if you want to see all the items in the SQL table, use option number 3. So this is all the items are displayed from the hard disk, but it is not at all in a readable format. Actually, I want the first row to be displayed in one line, the next row should come in next line, and so on. Okay, so let me make a very simple modification. So for the time being, let me exit from the program 5. Let me modify it. So this is show table. Show table. Here I am simply displaying R. R is a list of tuple. I want each and every element of R to be displayed in a new line. So how will you get each and every element of R? You know the method. It is for I in R. So I contains each and every tuple of this R and just display I. So here you can write print I. Now each and every tuple will be displayed in a new line. Run the program F5. Again, no need to insert the rows, it is saved in the hard disk. So let me straight away display all the rows. 3. See, it is in a more readable format. First row in the first line, second row in the second line, and so on. Now let me search for an item. Option number 4. We know that it is the exit from the program, enter your choice. Okay. Let me check what's the problem. Okay, maybe 4. Okay, maybe while inputting the quantity I made some mistake, so let me do it again. Let me display all the items. 3, all the items are displayed. Now let me search for an item. Okay, we know that pen is there in the stationery shop, so I am going to search for an item. Option number 4. Now enter the item name that you want to search. Pen. See, pen found, and the details are given below, the details of the stationery item displayed. Now let me search for an item that is not there. So search for item that is not there. Maybe book. We know that it's not there in the stationery shop. Okay, see, you can see book not found. Now if you type a number other than 1 to 5, wrong choice. So your program is working correctly. Now you can exit from the program. Option number 5. So even though some 89 lines are there, actually things are very easy. This is just a comment. Certainly you need to import, display the menu, read the choice. This is there for almost all the connectivity programs. Creating the table, you should remember this SQL statement, and this, after executing the Python program, you can implement this. Okay, inserting the row, remember the SQL statement. Now display table, it is select star from item. Using execute, you can execute an SQL statement. Using fetch all, you can retrieve all the rows from the context area, and that is displayed in the computer's monitor. Here you can search. So this is one program, one connectivity program that is there for the board practical exam. So students, today itself you try this program in the computer, and if there is any error, you can contact me via phone or email. But please make it a point that you do it in the computer and study.